channel. My today's recipe is a Durga Puja special Bhoger Khichuri or moong dal khichuri. I will show you all the tips and tricks that you need to recreate an authentic Bhoger style khichuri right in your home kitchen. My channel all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. To make Bhoger Khichuri or moong dal khichuri, we are going to use 1 cup of Gobindabhog rice or any short grain rice, comes to about 200 grams. Do not use basmati rice or a long grain rice. And 1 cup or 200 grams of moong dal. So it should be equal quantity of the moong dal and the rice. First we are going to dry roast the moong dal. To a pan, I'm adding the moong dal and we will dry roast this for 3 to 4 minutes, not too much, till we can see the moong dal starting to change its color. I have dry roasted the moong dal. The color has slightly changed and I'm getting a really nice aroma from the roasted moong dal. Now we are going to set this aside and wash the moong dal really well. I have washed both the dal and the rice really well, transferred both of them in this container. Now we are going to add some water and keep the rice and the dal soaked for about 1 hour. And meanwhile, we will start making the rest of our preparations for the khichuri. First, I'm going to fry the pulgobi and the potatoes. For that, here I'm using 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. This recipe is typically made with mustard oil, but you can use any other oil of your choice. So first we are going to heat up the mustard oil really well. The oil is now hot. Now I will add the pulgobi. So here I have taken about 8 to 10 medium-sized florets, and we are going to fry the pulgobi till they are almost cooked. So about 80 to 90% done. The pulgobi is almost 80 to 90% cooked. Now we will set the pulgobi aside and then we will fry our potatoes. In the same leftover oil, I am now going to add the potatoes. Here I have taken 3 to 4 medium-sized potatoes that I've cut into slightly large cubes. We are going to fry the potatoes only for 4 to 5 minutes, not too long, just 4 to 5 minutes. I have fried the potatoes for about 5 minutes. Now we will go ahead and set this aside. To the leftover oil, I'm going to add another 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and we will wait for the oil to be heated up first. The oil is now hot. Now we will add 2 bay leaves and 2 Kashmiri red chilies. Also add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now we will fry this for about 30 to 40 seconds. Now we will add 1.5 inches of finely chopped ginger. You can also use ginger paste or grated ginger. Now at a low flame, we will fry this for 1 minute. We have fried the ginger for a minute. Now I will add 1 medium tomato, about 120 grams, and also add some dry powdered spices, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and we will mix all of this together and fry this for 2 to 3 minutes at a medium-low flame. I have fried the masala for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add some salt as per taste, and we will continue to cook the masala till the tomatoes become completely soft and you can see the oil separating out. This will take somewhere between another 3 to 4 minutes. The tomatoes have become soft and you can see the oil is separating out. Now we will add the rice and the dal that we had soaked before. I have completely drained out the water, so I'm adding that. And now we will mix the rice and the dal with the masala and cook this at a medium-low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. Now I will add the fried potatoes, and now we will add some hot water. So a very key tip or Bhoger Khichuri is, we don't add all of the water at one go. So you just add enough water so the khichuri or the rice and the dal, they are just immersed like you can see here. And now we will cover this with the lid and continue to cook this at a low flame. As the khichuri gets cooked, the water will get absorbed and then you can add more water if needed. But all the water should not be added right at the beginning. So we will continue to cook this at a low flame and make sure you keep stirring and adjust for water as needed. As the khichuri is getting cooked, we are going to make a bhaja masala or dry roasted masala. This gives a real delicious flavor to the Bhoger Khichuri. So please do make this and add it at the end. For that, here we have 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 Kashmiri red chilies, 5 green cardamoms, 5 cloves and 1 inch of cinnamon stick. So I'm going to add all of that. And we will dry roast this for about 2 to 3 minutes till there is a nice aroma from the whole spices. I have dry roasted the whole spices. Now we will let this cool down and then grind this to a fine powder. And this is our dry roasted masala or bhaja masala that we will be adding to the khichuri right at the end. We will check on our khichuri now. So as you can see that the khichuri has absorbed the water, but it's still not cooked yet. So it's still, the rice and the dal needs to get more cooked. So now we will add some more of the hot water. Like I said before, all the water in Bhoger Khichuri does not get added at once because that gives the consistency. Now again cover this with a lid and let the khichuri cook at a low flame. Our khichuri is almost ready. You can see that the dal also is cooked, but it has not become completely mushy. So this is the right consistency that we want. Now we will add the fried pulgobi. The reason to not add this before is pulgobis can actually get cooked very quickly and then we won't even be able to find this pulgobi. So now I'm mixing this with the rest of the khichuri. And now we will add the bhaja masala or the dry roasted masala that we made before. So add that. This will just give such an absolutely delicious flavor to the khichuri. And also add 1 tablespoon of ghee. And again, mix all of this well together. I have mixed everything well together. Now I will cover this back with a lid and let this cook for another 2 to 3 minutes till the pulgobi is completely cooked. Our pulgobi is completely cooked and our Bhoger Khichuri or moong dal khichuri is completely ready. Please try the recipe this way and you can recreate the Bhoger Khichuri right in your home kitchen. Please do also check out my playlist Puja Special for other pure vegetarian recipes that you can enjoy for this Durga Puja. Thank you so very much for watching my channel.